Good morning, Valet Service. Janet speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Could you send somebody to pick up my laundry, please?
Alright, sir. May I know your name and your room number, please?
My name is Roy Andre Pacundo, room number 301.
Sir, I will repeat your request. Your room number is 301, and you are requested to pick up your laundry from your room, and your laundry will return tomorrow morning. Is that right, sir?
Yes, that's right.
Is there anything else, sir?
No, thank you.
Thank you for calling Mr. Pacundo. About 5 minutes, laundry staff will pick up your laundry to your room. Good morning. Have a nice day. Valet Service! Valet Service! Good morning, Mr. Pacundo. I am Janet Sego, coming from Laundry Central. I got an information that you have a laundry. I will pick up the laundry, sir. In your laundry, sir, there are 1 jeans, 2 shirts, and 1 short. In your laundry, sir, is nothing to broke. Is that right?
Yes.
May I know what kind of services would you like to your laundry?
What kind of service do you have?
In our hotel, we have regular service, a special service, and express service.
I want express service.
Express service. In this service, what do you want, sir? Folded or hanger?
I want folded.
Okay, sir. I will repeat your laundry. You have 1 short, 2 shirts, and 1 jeans. And you choose express service. And you want it to be folded. Is there anything else, sir?
Nothing.
How would you like to settle your bill, sir? Cash, credit card, or... And you can pay in reception, sir.
I can pay in the reception.
Okay, sir. Your room number is 301. That's all, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Valet Service. Valet Service. Good morning, sir. I am Janet from Valet Service. I am here to deliver your laundry. Where I should put your laundry, sir?
Put it on my table.
Okay, sir. This is your folio. This is your receipt. Please sign here. Thank you, sir. Is there anything else, sir?
None.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for staying, sir. Have a nice day.